What is LOCALAD? LOCALAD seamlessly connects you with your community, offering a platform for free advertisement postings tailored to your locality and pincode for maximum visibility. Whether you're buying, selling, or seeking personal connections, LOCALAD ensures your ads reach the right audience effortlessly. How to install LOCALAD? LOCALAD is currently available on Android devices. To get started, simply open the Google Play Store on your phone and search for LOCALAD. Once you find it, tap Install. The app is lightweight and will download in just a few seconds. How to start working with LOCALAD? Getting started with LOCALAD is quick and easy. After installing the app, open it to begin. You'll first see a welcome screen, followed by a request for your active mobile number for registration. Don't worry, your number is kept completely private and will never be visible to others. Once you enter your number, tap the Get OTP button. On the next screen, type in the 6-digit code you receive. If this is your first time registering, the app will ask you to create a user ID and password. Choose any ID and password you like. For the referral code, you may leave the space blank, or simply enter LA0000. Then, tap Next to continue. Next, you'll be asked for your pincode to set up your locality. Enter your pincode and location details. If you're not sure of these, just click the link that says "Click here." The app will request permission to access your device's location. Allow access while using the app. Once your location is detected, tap Select Location. That's it. Your registration is now complete. Take a moment to read the information carefully before you begin using LOCALAD. What types of advertisements can I post on LOCALAD? As of today, the app offers 3 options. First, slider ads. These appear at the very top of the home screen, giving your business the highest visibility and maximum exposure, perfect for growth. Second, normal ads. Use these to buy or sell items, find jobs or services, or promote almost anything locally with ease. And third, personal ads. These are designed to help you connect with new friends, or even find a partner for relationships. For more details, visit our website at localad.co.in.